Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is Barkazi Bidut. Happy Mother's Day to you all the mother. May 12, 2024, Sunday, Stally Beach, Long Island, New York. And I see that they plant some 8 of the nice palm tree. So that's amazing. I'm not sure it will live long or not. But look at the thick cloud other side, like almost 2 mile covered with the cloud. Looks like a hill. As actually the other side is connected. Anyway, for the Mother's Day, suddenly I remember one Bengali song dedicating to the mother. এমন একটা মাদিনা যে মায়ের সন্তানেরা কাঁদতে আবার হাসতে জানি এমন একটা মাদিনা। থ্যাংক ইউ, আসসালামু আলাইকুম, বাই।